So on a Monday, we normally have quite a few orders that have come in from over the weekend, so that's usually first priority in the morning. Come in, see what we've got, and check if any custom orders need assembling. Rafter squares, for example, like made to order in terms of the colour combos, and then get all of the labels ready and get everything shipped to the packing room.
As well as being our marketing director, Carenza does the lion's share of quality control and packaging, since she seems to have the best eye for detail.
Nice and small pack.
Chances are, if you bought a TrigJig tool, Carenza will have been the one to assemble and check it before it got to you.
Just pop a label on the box.
Meanwhile, in the office, Matt is finalising a programme for the new 7-inch adjustable rafter squares.
On this one, we just updated the prototype to add a little step here, and that's a recess for the number to sit into. We've added that hole there, that's a little notch for the 1-inch stud off. There we've got an edge at 3/4 inch, notch for 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 1 3/4 inch, and so on.
Over the weekend, an old leak next door had come back to haunt us. It's been leaking since we moved in, but it seems to have gotten worse, so I'm going to solve it now. I'm going to have a look anyway. Matt, you alright holding the ladders while I go up? My bum is going to be in your face. I'm just going to have a look, because if we have to have any proper work done, then I think we've got to get in touch with the landlord or get some proper scaffolding and working platforms. Matt, can you grab that plank of wood that's in there, that board? I'll be all right as it is. It's just on the inside of the door, the fire exit. Cheers. We finally had the new, latest version of the micro trim squares ready, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to run through the 9 main changes we've made to these tools. With the MTS4, we reduced the radius, which increased the length of the straight edge, and we increased the length of the side rule. It used to be 1 inch to 3 inches, and now it's 1/2 inch to 3.5 inches. We also added these notches every 1/4 inch exactly to allow for quick stud-off markings. Now these notches are dead on, so depending on the thickness of the marking implement, pencil or scribe, you can offset the thickness of the mark using the cutaway here. We've extended the anti-wear recess to include the side rule to prevent wear to the laser markings. And we've added quick mark angle guides, which we machined into the body on both sides. We made these to suit 60, 45, 30 and 22.5 degrees. A few people requested it, so we've added it. These beautiful little chamfers to every hole on both sides of the tool, and included an extra 1/4 inch scribe hole, which again was much requested. We've also added an extra scale on the end for helping to set table router depth bits. Plus there's a bird's mouth line on the new models. As with the MTS4, we've reduced the radius to increase the length of the straight edge, and we've also increased the length of the side rule, as this now starts at 17.5mm and runs up to 82.5mm. We've added notches every 5mm from 30mm up to 80mm on the side rule, plus extra stud notches at 22.5 and 38mm. As with the MTS4, we've extended the anti-wear recess pocket to include the side rule, which again helps to prevent wear of the laser markings, the chamfers around the scribe holes, an extra scale on the end for helping set table router bit depths, and a bird's mouth line too. We did get some people asking if we could do away with the chamfered edge, this 45 degrees, but we had more people telling us how this was super useful for lots of projects. Still fully CNC machined from high-grade T6 60H2 aluminium and coated with 15 micron thick anodized layer in a choice of colours, but most importantly it's still backed by lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects.